Hi, Bruce McIntoon does it all again. Today we're making rashers. That's a version of bacon, except it's not bacon, it's rasher. My wife's from South Africa, and this is one of their treats. So what you do, instead of having this for breakfast, usually you have this for supper. You put it on the grill, put some spices on it, some honey, a little salt, a few other things. Grills up, super yummy. So what you have to do, a really big knife. My dad was a butcher, so I've got all these utensils. I had this in the freezer, so it's nice and stiff. You got to make sure you put it in the freezer for a little while. This is would be called the belly of the pig. So you put your knife in, you got to get a good straight edge. Nice and easy cutting all the way down, and there you go, another piece. I'm going to finish cutting these. We'll be back when it's time to wrap. Alright, we're back. Here's our wrapping paper. Got to set it up on a roller. Pulls out so I can rip it to the size that I want. Some people will vacuum seal a lot of things, but I like to do it the old school way where my dad did it. Seems to go a little faster for me. So we rip our paper, get it on the scale. Got my numbers there. I want about 2 pounds in a package because I've got 4 kids. We like to eat our meat. One more. There we go. So now I take it back over here. When you wrap paper, when you use paper to wrap meat, you want to go at a diagonal. Bring your corner up, tuck it around. Get over here so you can see that. See how it gets tucked around the bacon or whatever meat you're going to be wrapping. Tuck the corners, fold them over, flip it down. Now this paper has got a shiny side that's got wax on it. That's what helps seal it. So when you put it in your freezer, you're not going to get freezer burn. I like to use a slightly wider paper for the last one because it just gives me a little extra to make sure I can get all the way across. And I like to pre-pull a piece of tape off because my tape dispenser is not the right size for the tape. So I'll just wrap that same thing. Some places will tell you to spin that around. I've never noticed a difference in whether you spin it around or not. You want to pull nice and tight. Take your tape, seal it up. Last thing you got to do is mark what you put in there. And always put what year. There you go. That's making your rashers and wrapping them up. Make sure you go to Bruce McIntoon Does It All. Check out more videos, or you can go to brucedoesitall.com. Check out my other website.